are you, Mr. Taguba?
33 na po.
33. How long have you been in prison?
6 years.
6 years. Ibig sabihin, nag-umpisa ka makulong 27 years old.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. And if we can bring back those days, anong gagawin mo to be able to avoid this very sad fate that you're going through right now?
Siguro hindi ko na pinasok sana tong ano.
Sana sa iba ka na lang nagtrabaho, ano?
Opo. Pero,
Is that your honest belief? Sana sa iba ka na lang nagtrabaho?
yes.
You are so young.
Tsaka very unfair yung nangyari talaga sa na-convict ako na ganito.
Okay, let us hear you. Why are